This is Ihamusan Labib, but can't call me Labib because that's my nickname. Hope you are signing. Today I'm going to give a presentation topic. What bank? So let's get started. Verb. Woke up means ঘুম থেকে জাগা. I woke up early. I woke up early. Wear means পরা. I wear my shoes. Carry means বহন করা. I carry my bag. Well about my presenter. Next time I will be back with another fantastic presenter. Till then, bye bye.